I am Madhuri Ketavarapu. I work as a functional English and life skills trainer in a government tribal welfare ashram high school located at Kurkutti of Vijayanagar district. I work in a project named Naipunya Vikasam from APSSDC and Schoolnet India Limited. Today, our session is about how to monitor and how to manage anger. And there is nothing but anger management. Firstly, what is anger? So, if we pose this question to others, we can get the answers as it is an irritation or a frustration. So, clubbing all these answers, we can define in general anger is a strong feeling of emotion which includes frustration and irritation which can diverge in a negative way, and anger makes a person to lose his cool. Okay, next, if we control the anger, it becomes a useful emotion. But it becomes a powerful emotion if it is not controlled well. So, and also it brings a very destructive results both physically and mentally. So, let us discuss some of the harmful results we can get through uncontrollable anger. They are heart attacks, severe heart strokes, insomnia, skin diseases, digestion problems like abdominal pain, and also mental disorders. We will go into the mental depression and over anxiety and so many harmful results we can face through uncontrollable anger. Have you ever thought what are the symptoms of a person who is very angry? So come, let us look into the symptoms of an over-angered person. His skin will become red and he clenches his face. He starts speaking foul language and also he does not control his emotions. He couldn't think properly. And these are some of the symptoms. And also one of the most important symptoms is his body temperature will raise when compared to the normal temperature. These are some of the symptoms of an angered person. So, if we are angry, we are creating poison in our own system. Means we are becoming poisonous and we are making poisonous ourselves and we are making poisonous others too. I would like to add one more point on this anger management. Means, see, if we add D to the word anger, it will become danger. So the word anger is just one letter shorter to the word danger. The D may indicate the decisions we take while we are angry. Maybe the decisions, because of those decisions, will be thrown into a hard situation and we have to face difficult circumstances. Different people express their anger in different ways. So let us look into different ways of expressing anger. Mainly, there are two ways to express anger. One is explosive anger and the other one is anger repression. Coming to the first type, explosive anger. The word itself, explosive, shows it is a burst out of anger. Means the person will be so explode and he will explode in such a way that we can't control his emotions and he will behave in a very rude way. He will isolate himself and he will isolate from his friends and family members so that he may lose a good relationship with his closest ones. Another one is anger repression. This term may look silent, but it is a very harmful way to express one's anger. In this type, the person don't speak out. The person don't speak his feelings outside. This bottled anger will be repressed inside of him, and once in a while he repress his anger on innocent pets and all. They think that this anger, this is a very bad emotion and very inappropriate way to show their feeling. So both explosive anger and anger repression are very harmful to us. So it's better to control our anger. In this regard, I want to tell you a moral story on anger management. So once there lived a boy named John. He was a nice guy, but he has one and only one bad habit, that is, he can't control his anger. So on this thinking, his mother gave him a gift on his 7th birthday, a canvas and a palette of colors, as he has a soft corner over painting. The boy curiously went to his mother and asked, Mom, what is this gift for? Then the mom replied that, my dear son, you just go on with your painting. You express all your anger in your painting, and this will help you to get rid of your frustration. So as this was a nice idea, the boy thought and started his painting. So he painted a building which is falling down, and he showed that painting to his mom. The mom curiously asked about the explanation, that is about the reason behind this picture. The boy explained that, Mom, this is nothing but my school building. I hate my school, I hate my teachers, and I hate my friends too, because they always criticizes me and bullies me. So I want to see my school building like this. By understanding his feelings, the mother told him that, you just go on with your paintings, my dear John. Then the boy started painting the other paintings. After a week, the mother went into John's room, and she had seen some disturbing paintings on the wall. She had collected 3 paintings and asked John to come along with her to the garden. She made John to sit quietly and ask the reason behind his paintings by showing his paintings to him. Then John showed his first painting and explained the reason that, these are my friends. They always keep show off their expensive things, and they look down upon me, and it really irritates me. By showing the second painting, he said that, this is nothing but my teacher. She always asks me to do hard work in a very loud voice. It frustrates me really. So I wanted my teacher like this. And by showing the third painting, he tells that it depicts my anger on my dad, because he always compares me and always keep on telling his achievements he had done at his childhood. So by understanding all his feelings, then the mother explained that, my dear John, you misunderstood your friends. They just show their things. They are not looking down at you. And when coming to your teacher's path, she asks to work hard, because she knows your capability. She knows your potentiality, that you can work hard, you can bring good results. And at last, coming to your dad's path, he wants to be a real hero. He wants to be an inspiration, role model to you. Then the boy realized about his misunderstanding feelings, and he happily hugged his mother and said, thank you, Mom. From that day, John treated the other people with love, great care and affection, and he started painting very positively. So this is the amazing story of anger management. We can learn a model from this story. Management of anger is possible if you strongly determine to manage your anger. So from all of this, there are some tips to control our anger. The tips are, first one, you just count 1 to 10 numbers. Take a deep breath and count the 1 to 10 numbers. It will cool your total body system, and you can act accordingly to that situation. According to your neurological research, there is 1 to 2 seconds of time a person can get angered. If we control for that time, all the situations will be clear There will be no more discussions, no more arguments, and no more regrets. Everything is very good. And then the next step, you better to practice any yoga, meditation, or any sport like running, etc. What would you like? You can practice so that they will make you cool and they will make you think clearly. If a situation is irritating you or frustrating you a lot, then it's better to move away from that situation. Come back to that situation if you are sure that you can handle the situation very calmly and quietly without any arguments. And you better talk to a friend who trusts you a lot. You can express your feelings to her. If you don't find any friend of like that, you can talk to yourselves. This is a better way to control your anger. And at last, keep a diary note of your feelings. This means that if you get angry, don't shout on others, don't react at that situation, or don't react at that time. You better write your feelings on a piece of paper, and you can read after for some time. It is better than to hit words to the other person as you got angry on him or her. So these are all the tips to control our anger. By following these tips, we can lead a happier, healthier and a relaxed life. We can get a good relationship and we can maintain all good relationships in the society. Last but not least, controlling the anger is very better than controlled by the anger. Hope you liked today's session. Thank you. Have a nice day.